I think this is day 8. We had a fantastic day yesterday at the Harley-Davidson Museum. The Iron Horse Hotel is a really nice place. It was perfect. We're up early. We got to hop on a ferry by 5 o'clock for a 6 o'clock departure over to, what city is it? Muskegon. We're heading over across Lake Michigan again. We're headed to Dearborn, Michigan. Michigan. And we should be there by the afternoon sometime. And we're back on the road. We'll record a little bit of the ferry and have a good day. Ready? Looks like we're all fasted down. We're going to take a look at what we got going on. We got one here. Somebody's going to trip over. George is done. George is helping this guy with his bike. And we're looking pretty good. What do you think?
I think we're looking great.
All right. Here goes Milwaukee.
And initially in lockers on the front deck. Donning instructions are posted near each life jacket locker. Life jackets are available in 2 sizes. Child for anyone under 30 pounds and adult for anyone over 30 pounds that are provided on life and installed.
Where do you think, can you see any of the buildings that we were at? I don't think we can see them from here. All right, we're moving. How many knots we doing?
Said this thing can go 50 knots.
Well, we're moving along.
Pretty fast. We'll be there before you know it.
Yep.
Well, Milwaukee was a good town.
Yeah, it was.
You might see the Harley plant. I'll tell you what, that was amazing to see all those old motorcycles and how far things have come.
Yep.
Very fortunate.
Yes, sir. Nice.
Look forward to getting back another time. Hopefully we get a chance to see the engine plant next time and maybe even take a class or something like that. That'd be kind of cool.
All right, we'll talk to you later. But if you can see, there's a shoreline behind us. It's almost 9 o'clock Eastern time. We back to Eastern time?
Eastern time again.
And Muskegon, we're about ready to get to Muskegon. We're going to go to Hot Rod Harley-Davidson. Woohoo! And then head to what city?
Dearborn.
Dearborn. I took a nice little nap. Good hour and a half nap on the boat or the ferry. and we'll see you guys in a bit.
Salute.
Looks like a nice little town. Yeah, here we go.